Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be finding out what the pekka and the mini pekka say when they are spawned. I know this. We're going to see if you can take a guess and figure it out. So we're going to do a training camp. And let's see. Okay, we'll start with the mini pekka. Ready? Actually, no. I need to turn my volume up. Ready? Got your guess? Good. If you don't, pause the video and go back. Now we're going to try out the pekka. Okay, let's try out the pekka. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. If you don't have your guess, go back, check, and get a guess. I'll give you 3 seconds to do that. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now that you're back here to this point, I'm going to tell you what they are. The answer is, the pekka says butterflies, and the mini pekka says pancakes. Now that you know what it is, let's see if you can hear that in their voices. Okay, now listen for pancakes. Did you hear pancakes? Did you hear pancakes? Good. If you didn't, go back. Now we're going to do pekka. Okay, got the pekka in our deck. Now I need elixir. Wait for it. Okay, let's see if you can hear it. Hear butterflies. Hear that? Butterfly, that deep voice. If you didn't, go back. But that was the noise that Pekka and Mini Pekka makes in Clash Royale. See you guys.